How to fix don't cover the earphone area on Android. So if you want to fix don't cover the earphone area on your Android, then what you need to do is it might be not available in some regions or in some devices. So you just need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now under your settings, you need to find the pocket mode option. So if you don't find the pocket mode option, or if you're facing a problem with finding, then you will have the search. Simply go for the search and search for pocket mode. So as I've said, this option is not available in all of the Android devices, but if you have the device like Xiaomi, Redmi, then you will have the pocket mode option. So you just need to search for the pocket mode and you just need to disable the pocket mode. So if you have enabled the pocket mode, then you will find that kind of problem. So just go and disable or turn off the pocket mode, and once you've turned that off, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix don't cover the earphone area. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.